So in this question, it is said that a particle is having a velocity of u meter per second in this direction. Say this is the particle, and it is having an acceleration in opposite direction. It means that the speed is decreasing. So what is the displacement in first 10 seconds? So if you go for it, so the displacement in first 10 seconds will be equal to ut minus half a t square. So that comes out to be 10u minus 50a. That is the displacement in first 10 seconds. Okay. Now what is the displacement in the next 10 seconds? So we cannot find displacement in the next 10 seconds directly. For this I have to find displacement in 20 seconds, that is xa plus xb. So if xa is the displacement in first 10 seconds and xb is the displacement next 10 seconds, so here we don't know what is initial condition, that's why I'll write xa plus xb. So it will be ut plus half a t square. So it comes out to be 20u minus a by 2 400. So 20u minus 200a, and from this I can find xb by subtracting xa. So this xa will come on this side. So 20u minus 200a minus xa. So xa is 10u minus 50a. Now if you open this bracket, that this 20 minus 10 will be equal to 10u, and minus minus become plus, minus 150a. Now it all depends on the value of u and a. Suppose if the value of u is 100 meter per second and value of a is 10 meter per second square. So in that case, if you refer the cases, so if you took it like this, so xa will be equal to 10 into 100 minus 50 into 10. Okay, so the answer comes out to be minus 500. So it comes out to be 500 meter. And when it comes to b, so it will be 10 into u, that is 100, minus 150 into a, which is 10. So it comes out to be 1000 minus 1500. So that comes out to be minus 500. So in such a case you will see that xa and xb are equal. While in the next case, if you take value of u as very small, so we can say that or you can directly judge if u is very small, then in that case you will see that in the first 10 second displacement will be more lesser than this thing, because the velocity will become earlier 0. If u is very small, so the acceleration decreases it and it becomes 0 initially, while in the next 10 seconds it will travel reverse direction, greater distance. While in the third case, if you say if u is very high, if u is very high such that in 0 to 20 seconds it will not become 0, then it is but obvious earlier in the first 10 seconds the object will travel more distance as compared to in the next 10 seconds. Okay, because the speed goes on decreasing. So in that case xa will be more than xb. So as all possible cases are arising from this, that's why we can say the correct answer is D. The information is insufficient, we cannot decide because it depends on the value of u and a. Okay, thank you.